Cleaning is a daily ritual that keeps our surroundings hygienic and pleasant. Beyond its practicality, there are fascinating aspects to cleaning that often go unnoticed. Here are 10 cleaning fun facts that might surprise you. 1. Antibacterial history. Ancient Egyptians used beer to clean wounds, as the alcohol content helped prevent infections. 2. Vacuum power. The world's most powerful vacuum cleaner can lift a bowling ball. 3. Sponge origins. The first synthetic sponge was created during World War II to deal with a rubber shortage. 4. Soap innovation. Soap making dates back to 2800 BC, discovered in ancient Babylonian clay cylinders. 5. Lemon freshness. Lemons are natural cleaners due to their acidity, effectively removing stains and odors. 6. Toothbrush tails. Before becoming a dental tool, the toothbrush was used for cleaning in ancient cultures. 7. Laundry revolution. The first electric washing machine was introduced in 1908, revolutionizing laundry routines. 8. Germ hotspots. Kitchen sponges can harbor more germs than a toilet seat, a surprising fact about our cleaning tools. 9. Innovative mops. The first commercially successful self-wringing mop was invented in 1950, simplifying floor cleaning. 10. Cultural cleaning. Different cultures have unique cleaning rituals, such as Japanese osoji for New Year's cleaning. Cleaning is not just a chore, it's a journey through history and innovation.